Welcome to Review Lab. The best washable mop pads is probably one of the most innovative cleaning tools to hit the market in recent years. Forget disposable pads and embrace the future of floor cleaning. Today, we're diving deep into the world of reusable, washable mop pads, specifically designed to revolutionize your cleaning routine. We'll explore their benefits, how they stack up against traditional options, and whether they're the right choice for your home. Number 5. Turbo Mops Reusable Microfiber Mop Pads. These reusable mop pads are designed for efficient cleaning. They are made of microfiber and are perfect for both wet and dry mopping. The extra thick microfibers provide excellent absorption. It effectively traps dirt, dust, and pet hair, leaving your floor spotless. These mop pads are washable and reusable. Simply toss them in the washing machine, and they'll be ready for your next cleaning session. This refill pack is compatible with Swiffer wet jet and other 10 to 12-inch mops. It's a versatile solution for various floor cleaning needs. Whether it's a dorm, apartment, or home, this mop pad is perfect. It works great on hardwood, tile, laminate, and other surfaces. The Turbo Mops team is always ready to assist you. If you have any questions, they are happy to help you. What we like? This mop pad features excellent absorption, making it perfect for both wet and dry cleaning. It's also machine washable, saving you time and money. If you have a variety of floor types and want a versatile cleaning solution, this is the one for you. What people say? They fit my Swiffer perfectly and are easy to attach. The pads are washable and reusable. They clean the floors very well. Number 4. Microfiber Spray Mop for Hardwood Floor Cleaning. This spray mop is designed for easy cleaning, perfect for housewives. It simplifies your cleaning routine with both wet and dry functions. It's not just for housewives, the mop is also suitable for the elderly, parents, pet owners, cleaners, and students. This makes cleaning easier for everyone. This mop works on many surfaces, including hardwood, tile, wood, laminate, vinyl, marble, and ceramic. It's a versatile cleaning tool for your home. The mop comes with 3 machine washable and reusable microfiber pads. They are also compatible with Swiffer Power Mop, offering convenience. The 360-degree swivel head allows it to reach under furniture and into tight spaces. This ensures a thorough clean in every corner. The mop features a refillable bottle, allowing you to add your preferred cleaning solution or water. This gives you control over your cleaning process. It's suitable for various cleaning scenarios, including kitchens, bathrooms, restaurants, offices, apartments, and studios. This makes it a great choice for both residential and commercial use. What we like? This spray mop is designed for effortless cleaning, especially for housewives. The 360 degrees rotating head allows you to reach every corner. If you are looking for a convenient and easy-to-use mop for your home, this is a great choice. What people say? Easy to use and very effective and efficient. I love that I can throw the pads in the wash. It's very affordable and more sustainable than a Swiffer BC. You can wash the pads and have extras for a quick replacement change. The rags are super easy to clean and replace, and are very durable. This is a great tool for my college dorm as it is easy to store and works fast. Number 3. Reusable Mop Pad for Swiffer Sweeper Mop, 4-pack. This reusable mop pad is designed for your Swiffer Sweeper Mop. It is not compatible with Sweeper XL, Wet Jet, or Sweeper Vacuum. Make sure it fits your mop before use. Stop wasting money on disposable pads. This pad is reusable and machine washable up to 100 times. It's a cost-effective and eco-friendly choice. The pad allows your sweeper mop to glide effortlessly. You'll experience less effort and more efficiency, especially on hardwood and laminate floors. The 12mm thick microfiber pads provide superior absorption. It enhances wet mopping and offers better dirt gripping power when dry. This pad easily picks up dirt, debris, and pet hair. It effectively removes sticky stains while remaining gentle on sealed floors. It works well in both wet and dry cleaning. What we like? This mop pad is reusable and washable, saving you money on disposable pads. The extra thick pad ensures better absorption and dirt grip. If you like a mop that glides easily and efficiently, this is the one for you. What people say. They fit my Swiffer perfectly and are easy to attach. The pads are washable and reusable. They clean the floors very well. Number 2. KEEPOW Swiffer Sweeper Compatible Mop Pads. These reusable mop pads are designed to work with your Swiffer sweeper. They are a great way to keep your floors clean. This product makes cleaning easier. The mop pads are compatible with Swiffer sweeper dust mops and other 10 to 12-inch mops. However, it is not suitable for Swiffer WetJet or Sweeper XL or Sweeper Vacuum. Make sure it fits your needs. Made of microfiber and chenille, it effectively removes dust, dirt, and pet hair. It can help you clean every corner of your home with ease. This product is a great choice. The wet pads are washable and reusable. Simply toss it in the washing machine after use. It comes with a laundry bag. These microfiber mop pads can be used for both sweeping and mopping. They offer better absorption when mopping and better dust capturing when sweeping. It is very convenient. The KEEPOW mop pads are suitable for all hard floor surfaces. You can use it on hardwood, stone, tile, marble, and more. You can also use it for cleaning walls, cars, or windows. What we like. Made of microfiber, this mop pad effectively removes dust and dirt. It can be used for both wet and dry cleaning on various floor surfaces. If you are looking for a versatile and effective cleaning solution for all your hard floors, consider this one. What people say. They are well made, easy to clean, easy to use. They fit perfectly in your Swiffer mop. Fits great on Swiffer mops and washable, which is fantastic. I love having a washable option for my Swiffer. I swept the floor with my Dyson first and then went over the floor again with this, and there was a surprising amount of dust and hair left. They wash really well. Number 1. Reusable mop pads for Swiffer WetJet. These mop pads are designed to perfectly fit your Swiffer WetJet. The size is 11.8 by 5.5 inches, and they are easy to attach to the mop. You can start cleaning right away. Made with high-quality microfiber, these pads enhance cleaning efficiency. The material increases friction to remove stains without damaging your floors. It easily removes oil, hair, and footprints. These versatile mop pads can be used for both dry and wet mopping. For dry mopping, it will attach dirt and hair. For wet mopping, it will make your floor sparkle and absorb extra water. These thickened mop pads are built for long-lasting use on various floor types. It works well on laminate, hardwood, tile, stone, and ceramic floors. It's an essential addition to any home or office. Unlike disposable pads, these are reusable and washable. You can put them in the washer and dryer and reuse them hundreds of times. This saves money and helps the environment. What we like. This mop pad is specifically designed to be compatible with Swiffer WetJet. The premium microfiber material ensures a better cleaning performance. If you are looking for an environment-friendly and effective replacement for your WetJet, this is the perfect choice. What people say. They fit my Swiffer perfectly and are easy to attach. They are washable and reusable. The pads are thick and absorbent. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.